Hi, Alan Johnston from GreenTech Environmental with you to go through the unboxing and installation of the PureWash eco-friendly laundry system. The first step is to unpack our PureWash laundry system. What you're going to notice at first is at the top we have the quick start guide, which gives you installation instructions, the packing list, as well as screw mounting locations. Our power adapter, the PureWash unit itself, the hose that we'll need to be able to connect it up to our water system, as well as our screwdriver, screws, and the owner's manual. Let's determine the proper mounting location, at least for this application. One thing to keep in mind, the PureWash must always be mounted in a level orientation, not vertically. Must be level. And most laundry rooms have many different locations where it can be mounted. The one thing you want to do is to leave access to see through this window, because it's through this window that we'll see the gases being mixed with the water and getting dissolved into the water, and that's what does the cleaning. So we want to keep access to that. In this particular laundry room, the owners have chosen this location, which is just to the left side of their power, close to the water, close to the power, and it's easy to be seen, and it's out of the way. It's right below the shelf. So we're going to go to the next step of putting the holes in the wall so that we can get this mounted. You'll notice that the template lines up perfectly with the holes on the back of the unit. Now these holes are 3 inches below the top, and to get the cover off you need to be able to slide the cover up about 1 inch. So you need to be at least 4 inches below the bottom of your cabinet, or in this case, the bottom of your shelf. Now I've gone through and made a mark just 6 inches down from the shelf. That gives us more than enough room. And we can take our template here and see the edges of where the PureWash is going to be located. And I get it evenly spaced. We're going to go through and make a mark here, and then we're going to get out our level and go ahead and level it up and make a mark to this side. Here in this installation we have drywall, and there's no studs in the area right behind where we're going to be mounting. So we're going to use the inserts that come with the unit along with the screws. I've taken this all and just gone ahead and made holes right into the wall so we can insert our inserts and tap them in. Now with our inserts installed, we'll go ahead and put in our screws. Don't screw them all the way in. We want to just leave them out so that we can go ahead and put the PureWash through the eyelets and down over the screw holes. The next step is to open the PureWash up by pushing in through the small openings on the sides and lifting up. And for those of us that have big fingers, you can do that by using the screwdriver that's been provided. So we're going to slide it open, lift it up. You can slide it through the screws and then go ahead and tighten, securing the unit to the wall. These 2 screws are more than enough to hold the unit onto the wall. And from there you can go ahead and put the cover back on, put it up against the wall, slide it down, and the installation of the unit is done. We're at step 3 on the installation instructions, where it says to turn off our cold water line. On this house it's the right hand side, and in fact on most houses you'll find that's the case. Once we've got it off, we're going to turn the washer machine on just to make sure that the pressure has been relieved from the line. That opens the line up momentarily, and then we'll take our pliers and just remove the hose fitting from the plumbing. From here, we're going to go ahead and take that line and take it to the outlet, because this hose is attached to the cold water inlet of the washing machine. So that would go to the outlet of our PureWash unit. So the treated water will be coming through this line to the washing machine, and that's what's going to do the cleaning of the clothes. We'll tighten that up, take our pliers and just snug it a little bit. Don't over tighten, because that can cause some damage. So just get it snug. Then we're going to take the hose that comes with our unit, take it out of the bag, and we're going to use that to connect up to the location that we just came from. Now there's a right angle and a straight. We're going to attach the right angle onto our unit, attaching it to the PureWash. And then we're going to attach the other end to the plumbing. Again, go ahead and snug those connections up without over tightening them. All right. The last step is to go ahead and take our power cord and attach that. The power cord can generally be attached to the same location that the washing machine is. In this case, we have a dual outlet, and that goes around and connects over here to the power input. And as you heard, a little beep shows that power is going to the unit. If your particular installation only has one plug, go ahead and get a 3-prong adapter. We're ready to turn the water back on. And you notice that the unit flashes on for a moment, showing that there was water flowing. But then it shuts off because the water stops flowing. The last step in the process is to turn our washing machine on. The PureWash doesn't activate without water flowing. So I turn on the washer and we see the blue light light up. Make sure you notice the bubbles that are flowing in the clear tube in the window. The bubbles are what's doing the work. Those are the oxidative gases getting entrained in the water that actually clean your clothes. You'll also notice as you raise the tub, with the water flowing into the tub, you'll actually smell the cleaning power that's being created. That's the advanced oxidation gases. That's what's doing the work. So look for that. I encourage you to read through your owner's manual. There's a lot of great information that's in here that'll help you do a better job with cleaning clothes. And most importantly, enjoy the fact that you're helping the environment, that you're helping your body by not putting the chemicals up against your skin all day long. And most of all, you're helping your pocketbook by saving on heating hot water, saving on drying clothes because your clothes aren't loaded down with laundry detergent, and you're saving on buying that laundry detergent. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your PureWash.